Welcome back to the Daily Dose. Today we deep dive into derma roller mistakes that you should absolutely avoid. Don't forget it really works. Vitamins are here for you. Get thicker hair within 90 days or we refund you. We've been featured in Forbes as the Best Nutrition Innovation 2018 and 2019, as well as Shortlist magazine. Start now and get 10% off with code THICKHAIR10. First up we've got microneedling too often. Maybe the most common mistake. It is important to give your skin time to heal and recover after every treatment. This can slow healing, increase irritation, inflammation, and slow results. If you are using a derma roller, you want to give your skin at least 2 weeks to heal. For larger needle sizes, you should give even more time for your skin to rest. Please avoid large needle sizes, 1 mm plus, as they can be more dangerous if not handled by a professional. When the needles are rolled, they don't enter the skin at a straight angle and are rolled onto skin instead. This means the microhole it creates tend to be wider shaped cones, which is why giving 2 weeks between each session is ideal. Dermarolling longer than 5 minutes. In this instance, less is more. Try make your sessions 5 minutes or less for your first 4 to 5 times. After February 1st months, you can increase this to up to 7 minutes. After the 6th, 7th, or 8th month, you can shoot for 10-minute sessions. More than 10 minutes is overkill. If you have sensitive skin, we recommend sessions of 2 to 3 minutes. Using the wrong needle size. Larger needles should be handled by a professional. These longer needle sizes have a lot more downtime and can reach the blood vessels and nerves depending on depth, and this will require more skill to handle. The safest size to handle by yourself is maybe 0.5 mm. While there are shorter needles, the smaller needle sizes are good for product absorption and mild exfoliation, but may not be as effective for collagen production needed to lift depressed acne scars. However, if you're just a beginner, start with the smaller size dermaroller, 0.25 mm, for a couple of months, then increment the size. Using low-quality derma rollers. Most derma rollers on eBay, Amazon, or any other online marketplace may generally be low quality. When you find yourself a quality roller or microneedle tool, you need to take it a step further and inspect the needles for bends. Test the roller on the top of your hand to test if the needles are dull and make sure they don't catch on your skin. Please remember to read reviews before purchasing. Do your research. Fake derma rollers can be a recipe for disaster. Not using sunscreen. Whenever you do a microneedling or derma roller session, always use sunscreen. Sun exposure increases the risk of hyperpigmentation, and the risk is higher when your skin is recovering after microneedling. Even if you do derma roll at night, make sure to wear sunscreen the next day. Use a full-spectrum sunscreen that protects against UVA and UVB with SPF 30 or above. Mineral sunscreen is recommended. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. If avoidable, don't go out the next day after microneedling. However, if you have to, make sure you have the needed sun protection. Microneedling on open sores, acne, and skin infections. To protect against the spread of infection, it is best not to derma roll near any open sores, psoriasis, wounds, warts, and other bacterial or active viral or fungal skin infections. Derma rolling over these kinds of infections could spread it and make the condition worse. Wait for the skin lesion or infection to completely heal before dermarolling. Rolling too aggressively. When rolling, you don't want to apply too much pressure at all. You simply need to guide the tool, and any extra exerted pressure may cause unnecessary damage. Rolling back and forth aggressively with a dermaroller could increase risk of a side effect. As long as the microneedles penetrate through your skin, you expect collagen growth without unnecessary pressure. Not replacing your microneedle tool enough. It's important to replace your microneedle tool because the needles can become blunt after several uses. Also, over time, your Dermaroller's needle may accumulate bacteria that alcohol can't disinfect as well. We only want to use sharp, straight needles to prevent unnecessary skin traumas, and blunt ones will become ineffective. There can be higher risk of infection when using old tools, as bacteria may have built upon it. Make sure to never share microneedle tools. This is super important. Although cleaning the Dermarollers with alcohol is a great preventative measure, there's no way to guarantee that all bacteria are killed in between the needles. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you on the next Daily Dose.